Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. On this channel, it's about how to make money online, tips and tutorials and website building. So guys, on today's video, I'm going to give you 5 Redbubble print-on-demand alternatives. So make sure you watch this video until the end. So as you can see here on Redbubble, you can sell clothing, you can sell gifts, stickers, phone cases, wallets, etc. etc. So another good thing about this is you can create one print on demand design and sell on all those websites that I'm going to show you. So make sure you watch this video until the end. So the first website that we are going to talk about here is called Design by Humans, and as you can see here, you can sell categories. There is anime, cartoons, comics, gaming, dragon, etc. etc. So you can see different designs here. All you need to do here is you need to click here on open a store. And also another thing that you have to do here is to make sure your country is accepted on the website that I'm going to list here. So you just need to fill your username, hostel name, password, email, or describe. And also you can also add your portfolio. On portfolio you can use Redbubble if you have one. If you have Etsy, you can do that. You can add other print on demand website. So the second one that we are going to talk about today is called Teespring. So the Teespring about this is you create your own design and you have to sell it on. You can connect it with YouTube. You can create a link tree and sell on TikTok. You can sell on StoreDrop. And also for this one, you have to market it yourself, because all you do here is to create the design on this website. For the marketing, you have to sell on this platform that I have highlighted here. You can see we have TikTok, we have OnlyFans, we have Beacons, yeah. But mostly TikTok, we have for the TikTok you have to create a link tree and then input it on your bio, so that if someone is interested to buy it, they come to your link tree, click on design that you're interested to sell. Yeah. So the third one that we are going to talk about here is called teepublic. For this one, all you have to do here is to create an account. As you can see here, I have an account. All I have to do here is to click upload art if I have one. So for this one, you can sell many designs. We have stickers, we have magnets. You can sell the designs on hats, hoodies. So we can choose to create one. So another thing about teepublic or any print on demand, you can use ChatGPT to help you to create these designs. Like you can ask ChatGPT, I want to create funny print on demand designs. Can you give me 30 ideas or 50? They're going to give you. So you can see here we have no regrets, although this one is no regrets. So you just have to come with an idea. Sorry, I'm late, I didn't want to come. Sometimes drinking helps. And then you go to Canva, create this design. I like cooking my family and my pets. Oh my god. Yeah. So these designs are simple. You can see some are designed, and also you have to be keen on this website. You can just ask any AI to generate an emoji, or maybe ask an AI to generate a mug or a cat or a dog. You have to add your own design on to that. So they usually prohibits one from using vectors. Also, you can go to their frequently asked question and also check on that before creating an account. And also another thing, before creating an account here, make sure you have ready designs from 20 designs. If you want your account to be on artisan instead of, I can't remember that name. If you want your account to be on artisan, make sure you create more than 20 designs. Have your unique way of creating. And before creating a design, you can come here and search. Let's say we are interested to create no regrets. We just need to see if this design is already here, and also to see how we can change to our own. Like you can just create anything that's here. You can see each and every design have its watermark on a different way of showing originality. So you can see no regrets have a bit of design. This one too, but I think that the meaning is the same. You can see this one, no regrets, no regrets. So before creating a design of anything that maybe has just different for you, make sure you check out here to see the difference in art, so that you can choose what you want to create, and also you can choose an image to make it unique. So I want to just check up on one of the creator here. So you can see the designs, how simple they are. I'm just here. So you can just use a vector. If you want to add a vector or an image, make sure you add some words to it to make it at least unique. But after you have been accepted, it's a bit easier. But don't misuse by creating vectors only. So the fourth one that we are going to talk about here is called cave press. So this one it's not that different from the others. We have clothwear, we have t-shirts, ornaments, hoodies, mugs, also stickers. But some of these websites they don't accept all countries. You have to make sure you check the country accepting. So all you need to do is click on start selling. So all you need to do to create and upload a design, create custom products featuring your work, customer buy and you make money. So it's that simple. You can see here it's international, Australia, Canada, UK, US, and also worldwide. So if any country, you can try to create an account here. And I told you another cool thing about this website is products that you did create on Redbubble, you can create them. You can create across. You can sell them across all these platforms. Our fifth and the last one will also maybe have one extra as a bonus. It's called Match by Amazon. So Match by Amazon is not available worldwide. So people from Africa countries or other European countries, they can't access this website to create an account. But for UK, US, but you can just check the country accepted. All you need to do if your country is accepted, you just need to sign up your account to get started. You to Amazon, you just need to create to sign up, and after there you can get a link to open an account by to open a match on Amazon. So on our bonus website for print on demand is society6.com. So you can see here you can sell sheet set. We have wall art, home and living, clothing. Yeah. So let's check wall art. And also Society 6 is not available worldwide, so you just have to check the country that you live in. So let me scroll. So you can see the designs are so simple. All you have to do here is to click sell your art, create an account with them, and after that you'll be ready to go. So we have come to the end of our video, guys. Make sure you like, comment, and also subscribe. See you in my next video, and I hope you are benefiting from this channel. Bye.